decided I'm a bit bored. So I'm going to go and paint an engine block. Will it go catastrophically wrong? Oh, we're going to find out. Okay, so having sanded down, filed down and all sorts of other stuff, and then used minerals to get rid of any last remaining grease, I think we're now ready to prime. I've shaken the can appropriately for up to a minute until the ball starts moving freely. Let's see how the primer goes on. Yeah, happy with that as a dust coat. We'll see how that dries. VHT engine enamel primer. How good is it? It's about 10 quid. Yeah, let's give it a back. Okay, coat number 3 on. Actually quite happy with that. Can't see the engine number anymore, but yeah, that's fine. Battles and Wars. And the main event, the main course. Simon is black, matte black engine enamel. Yeah, I mean, it's fairly cheap. It's about tenner. Shout out to Wilco Cambridge. See you there. Thank you very much. And the Katz's Deli t-shirt. Yeah, that's going to be the final coat. So I'm really hoping this is any good at all, because there were some vastly more expensive options. And yeah, let's hope I don't live to regret it. So primer's now done. Lay down some paint. And again, happy with that as a dust coat. Do the other side. Wait for the inside. We just realised that the engine can sit at this angle. That'll make the next coat quite a lot easier. Okay, so a guided tour of the painted block. It's not looking too bad. Actually, we can take that tape off now. Kind of completely taped it wrong. No, there we go, that's perfect. Happy enough with that. Whisk around to the other side. That's not looking half bad. Quite happy with that, actually. And we're back here again. How long did that take? Essentially, that's taken all day. I decided to paint the rocker covers as well while I'm doing it, so I've just started on them. I'll do those as a separate video. Vastly different experience. So what did I learn today? Yeah, I learned that it is exceptionally hard to get into nooks and crannies on an engine block to clear all the crap and rust out. I have learned that paint is very easy to spray all over the things that you're painting in front of. I have also learned that cheap engine enamel is pretty good, actually. 10 quid. Simon is. Thank you very kindly. Whoever you may be. Derek. Simon is, maybe. I don't know. Thank you. The VHT primer was amazing. The spread of the fan on the can, on the nozzle, was amazing. So that was really easy to use. Taping off was absolutely fine. Used some frog tape for that. So that's the engine block looking quite nice. And yeah, happy enough with that really. So what have I learned? Yeah, not much. Not much. Honing out the engine, honing out the bores, that's coming soon. And yes, rocker covers, I'll do those as a separate video, and some other bits and bobs as well. So yay, bye.